What's up? This is Ross with Drop In BMX and Skate Shop. I wanted to do a bike check for this Volume Vessel version 3 build. We got a really nice bike together here, and I got some help from Volume Bikes and Profile Racing. We just wanted to do a quick rundown on the parts. So let's get into it. Basically what you're looking at is a 21-inch Volume Vessel version 3. It is Brock Rayford's signature frame. Huge shout out to Brock because he's from here and he's a good friend of mine. Really talented pro BMX rider. Got his signature parts. So what you're looking at here is the Volume Brock Rayford frame. His handlebars, which are the 9.25 Captain bars. I have the Anchor forks, which is also his signature fork. So did like the whole build. Even got the Odyssey Raft stem. But the bike feels really great. I love the geometry. This is the third Vessel frame that I've rode, so this one feels really good. I love the hourglass head tube on it, and the little anchor etched into the top tube is a really nice touch. I wanted to do all chrome to kind of like build up a bike that I was really just proud of and happy with the way it looked. And finally got profile hubs on a bike. Been wanting to do that for a while, so this bike is pegless. It's really just set up for airing stuff, going fast, riding park. I just wanted a bike that I could work on that aspect of my riding with, and this is the perfect bike for it. It's lightweight, it's fast with the 28.9 gear ratio. The sprocket is the Shadow Jesco sprocket. Shout out to Trey Jones. For the chain, we got the Animal 710 chain, the Hoder chain. And I did want to throw a couple other parts from different companies that support the shop with this bike. So I never tried the Merit cranks, but this is the Battle cranks, and they feel really great. I just like the overall design of them and how they looked when they came to the shop, but they've held up well and they felt really good so far. And then I do have the Merit Tall integrated headset, so that gives it a nice little look in the front. Kind of just ties in nicely in the front end of the bike. Moving on, got the Odyssey Aiken pivotal seat. Definitely always been a huge fan of his riding style, and figured it's got a cool look and it kind of matches the theme I was going for with this bike. The seat post is a Odyssey pivotal seat post. Thought that was really cool that it came in chrome. For the pedals I'm running right now, it's the Cinema Chad Curley pedals. First time I've ever tried those out, but they're nice and wide and they felt good so far. For the wheels, we got the Profile Mini hubs, and I got these built up by them and they sent them over, but they're laced to the Sun Big Baller rim, and they're lightweight. The hubs feel amazing. Like I can really feel the difference with this bike on how it just goes. You take a couple pedals and you just kind of keep going with those Profile hubs, and can't say enough good about those and how much I like them and how good they feel. The tires I'm running right now are 2.25 Odyssey Path Pros. I feel like they grip really good on every surface, and they've just been a really dependable tire for me. I actually have them on both the bikes that I have currently. And yeah, I think that's just about everything with the bike. If you have any questions, definitely hit us in the comments, and I'll try to answer them as quick as possible. Hope you enjoy the bike check.
Yo!